Do you want your baby to sleep through the night and not lose your milk supply? Trust me, it is completely possible. I work with a lot of parents making sure that not only can their baby sleep through the night and get wonderful full nights of sleep, but they also do not jeopardize or lose their milk supply. They are two very different systems. Your baby, first of all, has to be ready to sleep through the night. And signs of readiness for sleeping through the night is enough weight gain. They have organic signs of readiness, as in they can naturally go longer stretches of sleep at nighttime, and they're at least over 12 weeks old. So there's at least those three little milestones we need to meet before we can say our babies are ready to sleep those longer stretches at nighttime. But a lot of times mamas, if you're going back to work at 12 weeks, or if you're wanting to keep up that milk supply for a 1 year or 2 year goal of breastfeeding, you're nervous about losing that middle of the night feed. So the way that we work with those two systems is your baby honestly is working off of their growth, signs of readiness in their development, and mostly when it comes to breastfeeding and of course feeds at night, it's their digestive system. We need to make sure that they get all of the calories that their body needs during the daytime so they don't actually need them at nighttime. And then their digestive system can go into that deeper rest and repair sleep. Now, for mamas and this breastfeeding relationship, it is not your digestive system that's running this, which is a much more efficient and very fast system. It's your hormones, which is just different. We all know we have different things that we've run into with our hormones, but we can come up with a way to not only match the supply that you need, but come up with a schedule in the nighttime that you can sleep the longest possible stretches at night and not impact your supply. So please reach out. I can write you a personalized plan just for your pumping relationship outside of your sleep plan. And we can make sure that we have those synced up perfectly for both you and baby, but independent enough that little one can sleep through the night and you can get the most sleep possible for your breastfeeding relationship. So know that it's possible. It is very, very easy to do, and it is something that a lot of parents are finding very beneficial so that they can get the sleep that they need to get to work and other children and just daily activities.